Hi everyone. So I'm here today to present a brand new actor to you all. I think this has been quite a special feeling for me because through this I got to reflect upon my own career in cinema so far as an outsider in the film industry. Because when I got my first film, Rabne Bana Di Jodi, opposite Shahrukh Khan, to be produced by Yash Raj Films, directed by Aditya Chopra, I honestly didn't realize what a big deal it was at the time. Frankly, I did not even know who Aditya Chopra was, or what it felt, or what it would be, or mean to be his heroine. That's how clueless I was. I chose acting purely on the basis of sheer instincts. I did not know anyone, not a soul, who worked in movies or had any connection to the film industry. So I did what any outsider does. I worked to get my first break. I auditioned, and in one such audition, I got Rabne Bana Di Jodi. Thank you, God. But you know what I feel? I feel that, honestly, because I didn't have any legacy to live up to, or any sense of familiarity with how cinema works and whatsoever, I feel like it gave me a kind of determination and confidence that has definitely helped me to be here and has enabled my journey so far in the movies. Today I do a lot of films. I even produce some. So I'm very grateful. But I feel that there are a lot of people that I've been very grateful to and I'm very thankful for who have helped me in my journey so far. And Yash Raj is paramount, Aditya Chopra, because he believed in me, he believed in my talent when I guess nobody did. I come from outside, so you know, I had no legacy, or nobody knew anything of me, and he chose me purely on the basis of what he felt I possessed, which was the talent that I had, and I'm so grateful to him. And I think as a company, Yash Raj has always done that. You know, it has always backed talent first, before legacies, before connections, before perceptions, and. I know so now, with so many examples that we have seen of actors being launched by the production house, that that here, if no matter who you are, where you come from, if you have what it takes to become an actor, YRF will back you. And because they believed in my talent, I'm here, standing here today, and very, very happy and proud to present to you all another very young, smart, talented actor who's also determined to make it on her own steam. So guys, without further ado, I would like to